For exercise 5-11, the easiest way to start this particular file is going to be to go for a top view. So what I will do is I will just begin a top view. It is 40 across the back. It then comes down 15, goes in 5, down 20, back out 5. The overall size of this is 50, so that lets me know that it goes down another 15. This front portion we're not 100% sure of, so we'll go ahead and put our line in here at 10. And then this is going to be 30 degrees all the way out to the end. So what I'm going to do is just tab over and type 60, because it's 30 degrees from here, which makes it 60 degrees from here. So we'll just run that all the way out to the bottom, and then draw a line right here to where that ends, and trim off the back side of it. So that is, for the most part, our top view. The only thing I don't have in here is the hidden lines, which weren't really required for the exercise, but just for the purpose of clarity, I'm going to go ahead and load the line type hidden and actually draw the hidden lines in here. I know that this is 5 all the way around, so I can offset 5. I'm just going to offset this line, this line, this line, and this line. Now I'll fill it with a radius of 0 to clean up all of my lines. And we'll add the line here and the line here, which are hidden, and trim out the last 2 little pieces. Now I can go through and make all of these hidden lines. Okay, so there's my hidden line profile. Now for the front view, and I'll worry about spacing here in a minute, I just want to rough this front view in pretty quickly. This is going to come up 8, and what we're going to see initially for the bottom is a rectangle with a line. That's going to represent the bottom edge for this particular piece. There is a line right here too. So once I have this line in place, I can actually copy this line up. So I'm going to copy this, because the top and the bottom look almost identical. So if I copy this thing up 30, then it's going to make it too tall. If I copy it up 24, then my overall distance from here to here, if I did the math right, it would be correct. It's 22 is what you need to move it up, not 24. So now with that in place, I can come in here and place a line right here. There's another line right here, and the last line is right there. So we've got the shapes of both of our ends plus the inside. Now the only other thing that I'm missing in this particular instance is the hidden line to show this groove. So I'm going to go ahead and draw the hidden line in to show the back side of that groove, which is going to be right here. And we'll match the properties with one of our existing hidden lines just so that it's there. I'll make the hidden lines a little bit smaller so you can see everything that's going on. So this is our top view, this is our front view, and now just by drawing a line at 45 degrees out, I'll be able to draw my right side view. My right side view is going to be very similar to my front view, in that some of the pattern is going to repeat itself through here. So here is the bottom, here is the top. This is the groove in the top. So now I can get rid of some of these lines just to make my life a little bit easier. Okay, and I will be getting rid of the insides of here too, because those lines do not exist there. The next thing that I want to do is draw in the sides. So we'll project this and put this right here. Project this and put it right there. So now I'm working pretty much on how the bottom is going to look. This line goes away because there's no edge there. So now go back and erase these two lines. Now what I have for the most part is the bottom, or is the right side view. There are two hidden lines that are going to be in this view, and they're going to be very close together. There is a hidden line here, which is actually right there, and then there is a hidden line here, which goes from here to here. And if I change the properties of this to hidden lines, you can see the two hidden lines right there. Now, once again, there were no dimensions required for this particular view. This is all that we were looking for, was just to get the top, the front, and the right side views completed.